Most people think they have a soul, but what they actually have is a chemical factory. Every time you feel an urge to quit, every time you crave validation, and every time you choose comfort over growth, that is not you. That is a cocktail of hormones, genes, and ancient survival mechanisms. We like to believe we are the captain of the ship, but for 99% of humanity, the body is the dictator. Your emotions are just data points, yet you treat them like commands. You are a prisoner to a script written thousands of years ago, reacting to a world that no longer exists. There are two wills living inside your skull. The first is the primal will. It wants food, sex, sleep, and safety. It is a part of you that repeats the same destructive actions because they feel safe. The second is the conscious will. This is the observer. It does not feel, it sees. The problem is that the primal will is loud and fast, the conscious will is quiet and slow. Most people lose the war because they cannot handle the silence. They mistake the noise of their hormones for the truth of their identity. If you want to know if you are actually conscious, ask yourself this. Can you sit in a room alone with an urge to check your phone and simply watch the urge? Can you feel anger rising in your chest like a heat wave and choose not to speak? This is where you take control back from the body. You do not fight the hormones, you outlast them. You do not suppress the genies, you ignore their suggestions. You must realize that your body is a tool you own, not a master you serve. The moment you stop identifying with your feelings is the moment the puppet strings snap. The war never ends. The chemicals will always be there. The genies will always want the easy path. But you have a choice. You can be the person who reacts to the itch or the person who watches it until it fades. Stop being a passenger in your own nervous system. Become the commander. Watch the program. Break the loop.